In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Wix banner from your website. Whether you're tidying up your site or just looking for a cleaner look, removing an unwanted banner is simpler than you might think. Let's dive into the process, step by step, to ensure you can do this with ease and confidence. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and head on over to the Wix website editor. This interface is where all the magic happens. If you're new to Wix, the website editor is your main hub for building and customizing your website. You'll find it is both user-friendly and, once you get the hang of it, pretty intuitive for making your website truly your own. Once you're in the website editor, take a closer look at your website preview. You'll need to locate the specific banner that you want to remove. Simply click on the banner of interest. Clicking on it lets the Wix editor know that you want to modify or delete this particular element. You'll notice different options pop up at this stage that will allow you to resize, reposition, or in this case, prepare for deletion. Now that the banner is selected, here's a crucial part. Right-click on the banner. This action opens up a context menu with a variety of choices. Right-clicking is a straightforward way to access these options without cluttering your workspace. If you're using a trackpad, remember that the equivalent would usually be a two-finger tap. This context menu will display options based on what element you have clicked on, and for the banner, you'll see an option to delete it. After right-clicking, you will see the option labeled Delete appear on this menu. Simply click Delete. This straightforward step will remove the banner from your website, immediately allowing you to see the changes in the editor. Removing a banner can be particularly useful if it's no longer relevant to your content or distracts from your site's overall appearance and functionality. Make sure to preview your site to ensure it's looking exactly how you want it to appear to your visitors. Seeing it in the editor is one thing, but checking the live preview guarantees that you've done everything correctly. If at any point you've removed something by mistake, remember you can always undo your last actions with Ctrl+Z on your keyboard or the undo button in the Wix editor. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully removed the Wix banner from your website. This process will help keep your site looking clean and up to date, reflecting the image you want to project. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance.